ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಗದಗ ರೋಡು ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಕಾಲನಿ ಇದೇ ಏರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆದ ಸುಬೇದಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇದು. ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಶ್ರಮ, ಅವರ ಎಫರ್ಟು. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ದೇರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಸರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಭಾಳ.
फिर आप इसका बारे में क्या बात करेंगे?
Sir, to start with, Alhamdulillah, I'm really grateful to God for this opportunity. और जैसे मैंने participate किया है 8 South Asian Karate Championship 2024, which was held at Bhutan. So I've bagged a silver medal in my category of under 21 minus 55 kgs. So I'm really grateful, firstly, to my parents. Secondly, to my coach, Sensei Ganesh. He's a national coach, and also to our grandmaster, Sensei George. Because even if I practice alone, even if I'm only there alone, it's not possible. It is not possible without my parents. It is not possible without my coach. And along with these people, my family, my well-wishers, and also my association, I practice under Akhila Karnataka Sports Karate Association, and all the well-wishers, to start with Sir Sensei Bhargav Reddy, Sensei Shrikant Malur Sir, Sensei Annappa Makal Sir, Sir Arun Machaya, Sensei Gangadhar. These all are well-wishers, and also to the college I go. I am doing my degree in KD College of Commerce. I'm studying BCom second year right now. My college also has supported me a lot. My principal has supported me a lot. My faculty is very supportive towards me, with which I can balance out my karate and my academics together. So I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಕರಾಟ ಕಲಿತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖುಷಿಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಾ?
Sir, from the starting itself, my parents have taught me to balance it out. Parents colleagues iddare sir. Even my coach, he's not like only going to karate or something. He's like, you have to balance your academics as well, you have to balance your karate as well, because academics is equally important to your sports. So yes, the parents, sir, the coach, whatever they've taught, I've tried to practice it. So it was quite easy balancing it, and I'm trying balancing it. Yeah.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
Sir, I've been a black belt since my 7th standard.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Sir, black belt at Takshna, you have more black belts. You have Dan 1, Dan 2, we keep continuing. But right now we are focusing on tournaments, we are focusing on achieving medals for our state, for our district, and for our nation as well.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Sir, this is a medal, a silver medal in the under 21 minus 55 kgs. It was a tournament in Bhutan, Thimphu, the capital of Bhutan. It is an 8th South Asian Karate Championship. I represented India. I was selected to represent India, and for me to go till that level, along with my parents' support and my coach's support, there were different people who were well wishers to me as well. I had been sponsored by Anjuman-e-Islam, Sir A.M. Industry Sir, Ilyas Maniyar Sir, Dada Hayat Kherati Sir. They had sponsored.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ Anjuman-e-Islam ಅವರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. Then my college, sir, KD College of Commerce, they had sponsored me my karate kit as well. Then a lot of appreciation from the MLA of Dharwad Hubli Central, Sir Mahesh Tenginkai sir. Adu nam association bald supported sir. That's sir, grateful for that. Thank you. Main aim nan karate alli
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, karate alli ನಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಐತಿ. Firstly, my highest target is an Olympic medal. Then getting medals for my nation is my first priority. Then later, if career wise, I am interested in corporate sector. Adu ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.